White shoes look clean and stylish with any outfit. They also provide a clean and fresh appearance. White shoes are stylish and bright when they are new and clean, but they can easily get dirt and stains, requiring regular cleaning to keep them looking their best. Luckily, it is super easy to clean your shoes and remove stains with items you have already at home. Colgate toothpaste helps to remove dirt and stains from white shoes, restoring their bright and clean look. Put Colgate on the toothbrush and begin scrubbing the shoes. Work in small circular motions, making sure to get into all gaps and crevices. Then, clean your shoes with a soft cloth. Next, place your shoes laces in a bowl of detergent solution and let them soak for 20 minutes. Rub the laces with a toothbrush until they are clean, and then give them a quick rinse in the sink. This method will easily clean your white shoes. Baking soda helps to break down stains and disinfect shoes, making them cleaner and fresher. Add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide and baking soda to some water, and mix all the ingredients very well. Then dip a brush into the mixture, and gently rub it on your shoes. Repeat the process until all the stains are removed. Leave your shoes outside for 4 hours to dry, and then clean them with a wet soft cloth. By this method, you will get stain-free white shoes. Liquid detergents help to lift stains and neutralize odors, keeping shoes fresh and clean. Take a bowl, add half a cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of liquid detergent, a small amount of hydrogen peroxide, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix them very well. Then, scrub the mixture onto your shoes using a toothbrush. Repeat this process until your shoes are clean. Finally, wipe your shoes with a soft cloth. This method will give you amazing results. Shoes cleaners extend the life of your footwear and maintain their appearance by removing dirt and odors. Jason Mark's shoe cleaner products are effective for white shoes, as they gently clean and remove stains without damaging the material. Dip your brush in water, apply some amount of Jason Mark's cleaner to it, and then gently scrub it on your shoes in circular motions, focusing on stained areas. Wipe off the excess cleaner with a damp cloth. This method helps maintain the bright, clean appearance of your white shoes. With regular maintenance and effective tips, your white shoes should stay looking fresh and clean for a long time.